Hey, this is Kent Schrum with St. Louis Foundation Repairs. We're out here in Wright City, Missouri, taking a look at a project out here that is the extreme consequence of what happens when foundation issues are ignored. As you can see, this wall here from the inside, this is the foundation wall here laying on the ground. The foundation has completely failed. There was probably several factors that contributed to the failing of this wall. One was water drainage. There's also gutters missing on the house that probably contributed to the failing of this foundation. And it's not going to stop there. This entire foundation all the way around is leaning in. It's beyond repair. This foundation is gone. There's no saving the current foundation. The only thing that can be done here would be lift the house and replace the entire foundation all the way around. Again, this is Kent Schrum with St. Louis Foundation Repairs. Contact us for all of your foundation repair needs at 314-520-9515. You can also visit our website at stlouisfoundationrepairs.com. Don't wait till foundation problems get too far along. Otherwise, the foundations can be not repaired. So pay attention to your foundation and give us a call whenever you need those foundation repairs taken care of.